Alrighty, back to the setup on the dinette here. So we'll just rip this apart quick. Slide this out. Set it here for a second. Then you got your nice metal rod here. You can pop it in the hole. Don't get the top situated on there right away. Tighten that up. There we go. A little bit wobbly yet. Can relocate some cushions here. Oh, table's going down. There you go. In there more tight. There you go.
You got one left.
That's where you just throw this one out the door right here. You just
there you go. Good job.
give her a toss.
So how can they get a hold of you, Big Jake?
You can give me or Big Ben a call at 715-803-2144.